Hello, welcome back to my channel once again. This is Absolutegh. Today we are going to make cold pressed papaya oil. If you have not watched the hot press oil, papaya oil, I will leave the link in the description box below. So please watch that. First, you cut your papaya into chunks. You can either add the seeds or remove the seeds from it. Please subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up. So after cutting it into chunks, you put it in a blender. Either you add water or you don't add water depending on your blender. So after blending it to paste, you then pour it in your container or your glass. You make sure you don't make it full because you'll be adding cold pressed coconut oil. So as you can see, I'm adding my cold pressed coconut oil. If you've not watched how to make cold pressed coconut oil, I will leave the link in the description box below. So after pouring your cold pressed coconut oil, you then stir and then shake it very well. Make sure you shake it very well. So after shaking, you put it in a boiling water. Sorry, I couldn't show that one. I couldn't record that part. So after boiling it for about 10 to 15 minutes, you then pour or you then sieve the papaya oil. You sieve it. Please don't press it. Just allow the oil to drain by itself. So after sieving it for the first time, I sieved it for the second time, and this is the oil. So thank you all for watching my video.